Hi there and welcome to another episode of Ask VSA, where we answer all of your questions regarding singing. My name is Peter Vox and I am the director and principal teacher of Vox Singing Academy, which was established in 1993 in beautiful Melbourne, Australia. If we could help you or someone that you know with their singing, we'd be absolutely honoured. Please check out the links below for more info. We have numerous studios here in Melbourne, online singing lessons worldwide, 7 days, and if face-to-face lessons aren't your thing, check out the Ultimate Online Singing course. If you like this channel, click like and subscribe. Check out the memberships as well too. Any comments, put them in the comments below. If you have a question, put it in there as well too. If it's a goodie, I may do a video for it. Without any further ado, let's get stuck into the next question. It's not really a question. I'm also going to answer this. I'm going to give you the top 4 points to improve your singing voice, 110% guaranteed. If you follow these top 4 points, your voice will improve 110% guaranteed. Okay, let's get stuck into point number 1. Point number 1, and it's not just to do with singing, it's to do with anything. You got to love and enjoy thoroughly what you're doing. Because if you're not loving what you're doing, you're not going to want to go out and put the work in and the practice in and the dedication in that's going to take to become very good or make a living or be successful as a singer or improve as a singer. So you got to love what you're doing, and it doesn't matter what it is. If I didn't love doing videos, I wouldn't be doing these. I'd be doing other things. So always love and pick something and do things that you like. If you like Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, do that. Okay, don't do it just because your friends are doing it or it's the trend at the moment. Follow your heart. Do what you love. So you got to love singing, and you got to love the genre that you're singing. It's super important. That's number 1. Number 2 is daily practice. If you want to become very, very good at anything, you need to practice every day. Not every second day, not once a week or whenever you have time. You've got to make the time and do it every day. Mick Jagger from the Rolling Stones has a famous saying that he says that I do a little bit of singing every day. I basically sing every day. So that's what he does to keep his voice up in shape. But if you want to be good at anything, doesn't matter whether it's playing drums, you would have to practice at least 5 or 6 days a week. Just practicing a lot on 1 or 2 days isn't going to give you the results that a little bit of practice spaced over a week is going to give you. So remember that you got to have patience, and incrementally you'll get better and better. So make sure that you're practicing every day. Pardon me, but the most important thing with practice is perfect practice equals perfect performance. So the 4 P's, very, very important. So you can be practicing every day and practicing for a long time, but if you're not practicing correctly with great technique, it's definitely not going to help you out. And technique is point number 3. So let's go in and talk about technique. So technique is very important. As I just said, you can be practicing all day long, but if you're practicing incorrectly, it's not going to help your voice progress as quickly as what it was if you have a very good technique. So that's super, super important. If your technique's not great and you don't think that you're improving, I highly recommend, if you want to save time, heartbreak, money, I would definitely be sourcing some professional singing lessons. We give singing lessons at Vox Singing Academy, but a great teacher should be able to help you progress very quickly. We have a guarantee at Vox Singing Academy when you first start to come into lessons, that if you do what the teacher tells you and instructs you to do, and the amounts that they instruct you to do, and you do it with great technique, in 3 weeks, you should be getting results and feeling a lot better with your voice and hearing the results as well too. So technique is very, very important. You've got to practice with good technique. Practicing bad technique might put you behind, might hurt your voice. So there are a lot of definitely negatives to practicing incorrectly. So I would rather my students practice a short amount with great technique in the mirror, focusing on the skills that they've got to focus on more so than painting their nails or vacuuming or doing other stuff whilst they're supposed to be practicing. So if you're going to practice, do it 110%, give it your all, and you get the results out of it. Which goes into the next point, which is point number 4. Have vocal self-awareness. Now, what I mean by vocal self-awareness is Make sure that you know where your voice sounds the best and sing there, okay? I know that you might admire these people that sing up high or low or scream or whatever it might be, but if you can't do that, if you can't sing high or low or do whatever they're doing, make sure that you are getting, again, some tuition or some coaching to learn those skills. But mainly, pick vocal keys and songs that are best suiting your vocal range so that you sound the best. If you're doing a song that's too high, you're going to strain, you're going to sound flat, pitchy. It's not going to sound good. It's not going to help your confidence. So pick songs that are in a good key for your voice. Super, super duper important. So picking songs that are in a good key. And then if you can't do a particular run, if you can't do so, if you can't do that, just do so you think you can tell, instead of going so you think you can tell. So simplify things. If someone's screaming, do it clean, okay? So if it's too high for you, the song's too high, bring the song down in key. There are lots of apps you can bring the songs down. There are backing tracks where you can that are in lower keys. So there are lots of things to help you out, so you can always simplify a song. Anyway, I hope that has helped you out. Short, sharp, precise. The 4 points to make you a better singer, guaranteed. If you follow them, I'm going to reiterate them again. Love what you're doing. If you've got the passion for it, you'll put the work in and it won't seem like work. Number 2, daily practice. The minimum my guys practice is 6 days a week, always 1 day off, but they're practicing 6 days a week. Correct technique. Practice with correct technique. You're going to progress a lot quicker with better technique than practicing something that's bad. So if you've got bad technique, you might want to get some singing lessons. Vocal self-awareness is point number 4, okay? So knowing where your voice sits, where it sounds the best, picking the best keys are going to suit your vocal range and songs. Hope you like it. Pow, pow, real quick right there. They're the 4 top points, short, sharp, and sweet. Again, if we could help you or someone that you know with their singing, we'd be absolutely honored. Check out the links below for more info. We have 7 studios in Melbourne. We give online singing lessons worldwide, 7 days a week with male and female teachers. Face-to-face singing lessons aren't your thing. Check out the Ultimate Online Singing Course. If you like this channel, give it a thumbs up, click like and subscribe. Any comments, put in the comments. I read them all. If you've got a great question, I might do a video for you. Most important thing, live with passion. Live each day as if it's your last. Be good to each other. And until the next video, enjoy your singing. Peace and much love.